Alright, what's up guys? It's Friday afternoon. It's about 1:30 p.m. I forgot my GoPro this morning, so this vlog's starting now. A little bit late. I'm out mowing today. I've done 3 so far and have 4 more to go. Or actually maybe 5. Other walking in the grass. Red Max will blow it from that curb to this curb. Grass, little bits of leaves that all come from their trees. The client specifically requested to blow it out into the street. Does not want it blown back into the yard because it leaves in a freshly mowed yard. So all the crap that's in the street gets misted out throughout the center and blown to the opposite side. Walk along, just do this, get the whole street in one pass. Alright, so I'm finished up this property, got 3 more to go. It's loud. I'm going to be mowing with Dan again tomorrow on his turf tagger. So this time I'll actually bring the GoPro along with the head strap and get some good footage. I think I'm mowing by myself. I think he's dropping one of the skags off at a building. Driving there, mowing for 4 or 5 hours, no weed whacking, and going. Then his crew comes back, weed whacks it Monday. And I have stuff going on tomorrow afternoon, so let's start early, knock out as much as we can, and then call it quits around noon. He's like, yeah, I'll just drop tomorrow off for you. Trump, Pence, see tons of those signs. Because my area, central Pennsylvania, is not retarded. We just need to get rid of Philly and Pittsburgh now. started it all right here. First mulch, well, one of the first mulch jobs, probably first solo mulch job. First mowing property. Not sure what they're doing, but looks pretty cool. I wonder if that's UGI. We're supposed to be getting natural gas in the neighborhood, not that it affects us because we don't use it, but that might be what's going on back there. Whatever that truck is drilling a hole in the road. Alright, we're on the final property of the day. It's my neighbor. And leaves are still falling pretty good. And we're going to take advantage of curbside pickup. And they're kind of falling. Well, I guess it is already almost October. They're falling early, it seems, because it's still been really hot. My guess, this is a guess of mine, is that we're going to get a long, probably a week or two in December this year, based on the fact that it's still hot. Like in the years past, I don't know. I'll have to go back through my videos. I think the leaves were probably already falling in like around October 1st last year. Like actually starting to get change colors, and it's still 80s, 90s, 80, 90 degrees. Like it's probably 80, middle 80s today. It's kind of hot out. And it's the 23rd. So one more week, we're already in October. And October, November are late October is where it dumps all the leaves, and in November we usually go till about the first week in December, sometimes the second. I'm guessing we're gonna probably go till about December 15th. That's just my guess, and I said it on September 23rd, so we'll see how well that plans out. Or, even better, it starts snowing December 1st and don't stop until March 1st. That's fine with me. Alright, I'm all finished up for the day. It is, hang on a second, 3:12. So I'm back in the Chevy. For those of you that are interested and or care, what was wrong with it was the two spark plugs were cracked and they all needed replaced. I knew it had to be something pertaining to either the spark plugs or the coils because it happened right after I fixed the headers. I'll talk to you in a minute. I got back. Alright, so what I was saying was when I replaced the bolts in the header, I'm about to show you, I cracked two spark plugs in the process because I couldn't get it to unbolt the exhaust. So the entire pipe was resting on the spark plugs. So when I took that off, they were resting on the tips of the spark plugs. Apparently it cracked two of them, and that was why it wasn't running right. I suspected it was that, but at the time I was super busy, and I still kind of am. So it had already sat 2 days and hadn't messed with it, so I'm like, you know what? Taking it to the mechanic, I'm not messing with it, just get it done. So he did all 8 of them. I don't know why it took him a week. Apparently, now that I have that truck, I'm no longer priority, I guess. I don't know. But it was cheap, so that's all that matters. Alright, so I'm going to take Dumpy here and clean it out, because it's got a lot of stuff left over from the retaining wall. Gotta do the weekly receipt clean out. It's just probably from about the last week. The Chevy here is disgusting inside. Very, very dirty. I'm gonna pick up the receipts out of it too, and the trash. Alright, how to clean out your truck 101 with your backpack blower. All I gotta say is, Tyler, bro, you think your truck was dirty? I think I can always top you on that one. My truck is always a mess. Look at all that grass seed. Have to go through the yard and pick up all the little pieces of trash. Huh?
That'll get you a littering fee.
What?